Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject SIM card and SD card slot. So slot is located here. What you have to do is to just put the tool inside the hole on the slot. The slot will come out, then you can eject it with your bare hands. So here you just have to put your SD card, and here you have to put your SIM card, and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter PIN code. And there's also notification SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.